In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge images in GIMP. First, open GIMP and load your base image. Go to File, then Open, and choose the picture you want to start with. This will be the canvas everything else sits on. Once it appears, glance at the title bar to confirm the file is active and ready. Next, add your second image as a new layer. Head to File, then Open as Layers, and select the image you want to place on top. You should now see both files listed in the Layers panel. The layer at the top of that list sits above the others in the canvas. If something seems hidden, check the little eye icons to make sure each layer you need is visible. If the new layer is much larger than the canvas, don't worry, you can still position and scale it. You may just need to zoom out to see the corners. Use the zoom control in the status bar so you can view both images comfortably. Now position and size things so they line up the way you want. Choose the Move tool, the one with the four-way arrow icon, and click on the layer you intend to shift. If the wrong layer moves, click its name in the Layers panel to make it active first. To fine-tune alignment, use the arrow keys for nudge moves. If you also need to resize, switch to the Scale tool from the toolbox. Drag a corner handle, and, if you want to keep proportions, enable the chain link next to width and height. Watch the preview on the canvas as you scale, and when it looks right, confirm the change. Before you merge, zoom to 100% and scan the edges to ensure there are no gaps or halos. Tiny nudges with Move or a small rescale now can prevent re-exporting later. When everything is placed correctly, it's time to combine the layers. Go to Image, then Flatten Image. This merges all visible layers into a single layer. Keep in mind, flattening bakes your composition together and removes transparency by filling the background, so make sure only the layers you want included have their eye icons turned on. Finally, export your result as a standard image file. Choose File, then Export As. Give your merged image a clear name, pick a location, and select a format that suits your needs, such as PNG for crisp graphics with transparency or JPEG for smaller file sizes. Click Export, adjust any format options like quality if prompted, and confirm. That's it. You've merged images in GIMP from start to finish. With practice, moving, scaling, and flattening will feel second nature, and you'll be able to create clean composites quickly and confidently.